Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, June the 21st, 2019. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the daily and weekly charts here and see how everything ended up. You can see here as far as the daily goes, we had a nice run up all week. A little bit of consolidation here yesterday and today after reaching recent highs, not quite all-time highs, but almost in the Qs. You can see on the weekly we have 3 nice weeks straight up and closed near highs, so looking very, very nice there. And we'll go ahead and move on to the diamonds and see how the diamonds are looking. And pretty much the same kind of chart. We had the nice gain all week. A couple of candles here just consolidating after setting recent highs. Just about at all-time highs, but if you go back, it is not quite an all-time high. We're just looking very, very good, though. You can see here, we have the 3 weeks up in a row on the weekly candle, and you can see here, we're making even headway on that monthly candle, looking real nice there. So looking good for the diamonds. Moving on to the spiders, we did set an all-time high. This week here, right there, that was an all-time high close for the day and an all-time high, so it looked real good. So a little bit of rest and consolidation today after nice gains all week long. Just looking very, very nice on the spiders. So, it's looking like, all bull ahead here, so looking very good there. Now, I've updated my charting a little bit here for the Holly, and Holly is going to be combined back into one segment here pretty soon, but for now we still have the Grill, the 2.0, and the Neo. And what I did each day here is I mark what the best, whether it's risk on or risk off. I highlight in yellow which was the best. Full risk, I highlight if that was the highest, but I also will either give it risk on or risk off. So if full risk is marked, one of the others should be. I see I did miss the Monday one, should have been marked there as well. So you can take a look here if you want, but the bottom line is for the week we had 124 trades. Our risk off profit was $8.25. The risk on profit was $2.65. And full risk was $7.57. And basically what full risk is if you got into the trade when Holly did and you held it right up until I believe it's 5 minutes from the close, that would be full risk. Risk on is if it hits the stop, then the full risk or the risk stops counting. It just stops dead in its tracks. So if it loses another $1, it doesn't move. If it comes back up through that stop and gains $1, it doesn't change. So that's what the difference between those are. Here's a little just a screenshot of today's market, so you can see that we had above average volume, and you can see we were down for the day across the boards. And here's just a weekly shot of the the spiders, the Qs, and the diamonds, showing you the weekly candles, so you get an idea of the last few weeks. So that's your market update and your Holly update for this week. I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see a pop-up there. Just click on that. Over to the right, there's a little video going to come up with some free stuff that you can get from Trade Ideas that'll, be beneficial for your trading. Make sure you hit that like button for me and go ahead and share this video. And hey, thank you and God bless.